don't make a million. Hey, Rasta boy, everything you might make a money around there. No, everything you might make a money around there. I see no burn on this backside. No, man. I'm your parent in here. I can't believe me a parent and I can't sleep in my peace in peace. Sure. I'm a matter of fact, all who want me come here, you know. Hey, Pastor, I see you want me now. And Rasta boy. Remember, you want me 3,000 of a cheese stick a week. One that know. And Pastor, you want me 2 sticks to you know. And 3 guineas and 1 cigarette. Yeah, and bread. Hey, that over Red Bull. Everybody come and trust on my sitting them there. Blast. There's a... They're coming up on my wrong side this morning. I little dirty go-go one. I pay trust, it's just for me now. Me not trust somebody else. This one the dainty shit, no more trust me.
No man, no. Nasty Ringo is a dainty to know, eh?
Hey,
you know for me, sit on the one and you call on me name?
Me just a talk about you know. Me just a talk about you know. I said dainty never trust nothing from me yet.
You see if that never did fast and me tired, I would have dip up underneath you. My friend Ringo, you can't trust me 1 cheese strips.
Hey, there's a fair go-go dance here, Logie. You can buy back a cheese sticks.
I'm not supposed to.
Megan, or if you dance for pool all night and can't buy back a cheese sticks, you make tip.
You know, say it's an ungrateful dog.
Or Kentucky cheese sticks.
You must remember saying me build up your old broke down style.
No, you bring some customer that come down my stars. Your customer some chichi.
Anyway, Ringo, you see the white man come to me last night. Him not come back up here. Alright. You see, anytime a China man come, you just make sure I call me because I him have the money. Yeah.
White man, China man. Man can buy a pack of cheese sticks.
Ringo, I'm taking time for you, yeah. I'm take something entitled to.
Hey, I was too for you, yeah. You know, say faster back to me if I get this money.
You
know, you're not near me. Say,
yeah.
Pastor, take your wife out of the house this morning. I don't know if my pastor and give the woman some go to hell lick.
Hey.
So you man drop on her back.
Hey.
And find that she not dead, woman get up back and take some curse and dash it from the house. And light if I go burn it down.
No, man.
And the jail me hear the pan. Fire! Fire! Fire!
Do you mean just about that segment that when I'm here back on my mobile? That's how you put on wicked so Ringo?
Me that try to call it on your mobile.
I want
to tell you said the landlord said the court can not pay the rent.
I'm tired to talk to you. When I tell us over and over, eh? I tell her to stop watch and chat me. You know why, Ringo? You soon start to pay me the rent.
Hey, give me this.
Hey, listen up. I said, anything I tell you to do, I want you to do it because I say to do it. I'm from I say you must do it, I mean you must do it. I'm going to say kneel down. No, kneel down in this morning. Babe, kneel down. So let go. Let go. Move from your friend. Move from your mother. Let go. So let go. Let me do it now. Come on, come on. No more oral. No more. Tired no more. Babe, I notice you're going to stop at it. I notice you won't hear what I said to you, you know. But you think about your needs. But what about my needs? Although my pastor have got needs too. But you know, you see the shop where you're happy? That damn bar and I'm going to burn on it backside. Because the bar make it stay so. Burn on which one at the bar? Eh? That damn bar where you have down there. Now you see when it encourage me for open bar. Eh? That is when the church ain't going nothing. But now the church have members night. Close it down. You can't burn down my bar. What you mean? Eh? Don't forget, so my bar is my only livelihood. Oh, so the bar is your livelihood. Babe, look how long me and you there. So what about my livelihood? I hit up pay the rent inside. And that's why I said you. I'm not run from you. I'm not run from you. I'm not afraid of you again. I'm not run from you. You know what you're talking about? From you. I'm a fucking. The good book says, I shall give the angel charge over thee, lest I dash my foot against stone like a yoke. If I was the same angel there, and I take the same stone and get a lick in your forehead. I check me. No. But the book says, the stone that the Bible refused, it come the head cornerstone. Go wash your molly ham. I'm here talking? No. Hey, where the book say? It's anything about molly ham? No. Where it say? It say clean hands and a pure in heart shall see.
Then what is wrong with you now? argue.
You hear my mouth?
Kim, did you hear my voice? You
Kim.
hear my voice, Kim?
Kim.
Kim, I beg you now. One, the father, you know. Talk to him, you know. Because I even wake up this morning for him wrong side, Kim. I want me to join him in that game. But Kim, I chat to you, you know. I put him chat in the top, the last one, you know. Weird.
So you know about family work? Eh? I beg. March yourself back here. Right now. Over there. Turn around. Come on. Like a pastor wife. Walk. Damn it after all. I say every treat them on.
You expect better from here, you know.
Expect better. I'm at that. Where you come from now?
Oh, Daddy, you're coming from gym.
Jim! Come, Jim, come on. What's Jim?
Daddy, what you talking about?
What's Jim?
Daddy,
Jim, who named Jim? Kim, who named Jim?
Daddy, Jim is a...
Don't take a fault when I talk to you. When I talk to you, don't say to you. I said, who named Jim? Kim.
Daddy, Jim is a...
Kim, who named Jim? Kim. Kim, who named Jim? Kim.
Daddy,
Don't talk to me when I'm talking to you. When I'm talking to you, don't talk back to me because I'm talking to you. I said, who named Jim? Kim.
Daddy, Jim is a place where you go to exercise.
You know, shut tell me that. Now that me ask you, simple. You understand now, right? That's all I say.
Daddy, you should have seen me this morning down at the gym. You should have asked me to do a bench press.
Kim,
I'm proud of you.
you mean say, you go to my gym in a that way they look on you? Eh?
So what's up?
I mean, know how Billy I thought in like look? Eh? Hey, listen, this. The bench, that will be a bench press. You see the yard? That will be your gym. Up, down, up, down. Oh.
You know how much money I have to be spending, you know?
Hold on now. Where you get money I spend? At the church money I spend, huh?
No, Daddy.
So where you get money?
My savings.
Kim, who gave the money for save? Not me. So when you save it, who you forget back to? Not me.
And the instructor say I'm getting good.
Mirati. Instructor say you're getting who? No, I can't say it. I can't believe this. Oh, you know that? Eh? Look for me nice version. Oh my God. Instructor say you get who? Oh my Jesus. No, I can't believe this. Instructor know that.
Daddy, what is wrong with you? I see why Mama say get up on the wrong side of the morning. Have a nice day.
Wait, Damn! Back here at once! Kim, what did you do? Stand over like this? Come back here. Here. Look at me when I'm talking to you. Drop your arms. Smile. Spin around and go to your room. After all. See then. Damn it after all. I'm fierce. Out of harder.
No, man. You sure? From when? So we can just tell me now. No, tell me what you tell me no man drop. Tell me what talk to my husband and this not real. No, Warren. Problem, Warren. Talk to my sister, Warren. Talk to my sister. Where's the missing, Warren?
Liar, where you say?
Where's the Warren? Mr. Wesley,
woman.
You know, you hear me say, where's the mission?
Where's the mission? Oh my gosh. Babe, don't talk bad. Babe, you know why me bad? Because me wonder how to you end up in which one uglier.
You come to get my grandpa for me and my son missing.
Who missing your son?
My son.
Then maybe your son missing your bad? I think somebody missing. I mean, if your son missing, I treat you to look for him. Either dead house, Harm's house, our prison.
Our house.
Thank you, Ringo. Our house.
I say thank you.
Hold on.
Make sure when I came back, I got my red money, okay? I need my money like, hey,
Okay.
Me know they.
But the money me give 15.
We don't know.
You can't take 2 trips.
I don't know. I got that. Hello! Where are you waiting to? You know, say about you, come over here. Come over here. You know that you're a liar?
Oh.
And I don't like come on who tell lie. Look in their eye. Don't run with me.
So you don't like a liar?
No.
So you don't like yourself?
Do you know that rent Joe till it let Joe? Okay. You got to pay some money like today.
So you rent the come from?
Yes.
So Pampas.
Don't do it. Mr. Pampas for you. In it?
Mr. Pampas, in it. You come to collect rent in it. But Mr. Pampas, in it. I can tell you one thing in it. When the rain falleth in it, the roof leaketh in it, and the rat and the roaches runneth in it, and you come to collect rent in it, Mr. Pampas, you might die in it. The spirit come to me. I feel like preaching. The good book says, in my father's house in it, there are many mansions in it, and he gone in it to prepare a place in it, that when he come again in it, there shall I be in it. So I soon gone in it. We done with you.
Let I ask you something. Is which church you preach?
You don't have to know that.
I have to know that. If your father have so many houses, why the hell you give me problem in my own?
Because I have enough tenant in there.
You don't.
Alright, we also argue the pumpkin belly man, sir. Eh?
You come over here.
You don't understand, I know, so we're not paying a rent. We're not paying a rent in here.
Hey!
You don't know?
You quiet. She don't knows me,
Quiet.
and you don't knows me.
Am I right?
I will read this with you and she in it.
When I feel, you're only agent and I feel. You're not giving man no money. You're not giving Mr. Kitty money. If you give him key money, you're not giving. When I hear you say, I tell people say, you're a place. He's a thieving man. How you not get no more rent? No more rent for you.
Chase the boy! Chase the dirty boy! Tell him which part I move off because...
What this?
You say you pull out my husband?
Me?
So you tempt him?
Me tempt
You
him?
say you tempt my husband?
Why angel? I me
You
tempt
just
you.
not paying a rent in here.
When I don't pay no rent, I said the garbage truck that come taking up in the morning.
And the whole of the time, bung up in there.
Oh!
Alright, let me show you where we're not paying the rent.
What
Show you how looking at the toilet.
Okay.
Put your head down in the bowl last minute. Do a light bulb out.
Lock him up in
And it's
there.
out of order to you know. You know, say I collect maintenance money. What? You want to maintain it? I him for cost.
Hello?
For the maintenance money, you don't know.
Hello, chicken face. Let me ask you a question. When I rent you this place, did I rent you with a toilet bung up?
Are you
What's the dog, Lena? Oh, you dozen.
You don't call me?
Hi. Hey, little girl. Mr. Pampers for you, in it?
Mr. Pampas, me backside. I'ma see you on him up when I time.
Oh, come on, baby.
What's you?
So better go on, wrap up for rent. You never
darling.
smoke without fight.
So Pampers,
What?
you are in it.
Then tell me something, baby.
Honey?
You're not right in the front room again.
Just back. You look like you're a kid when you're small. If you now pay for the one round at the back, and the front one you're gonna pay for, you're mad.
Then Pampas.
What?
We can't work out the front.
Hell no. That money they're too big, you know, the smaller money.
Pampers,
What?
if it's too big, you don't can swim in it.
Hey.
Hold on. Is rent you come collect?
Yes, Ringo.
No, is rent you come collect?
Try come out here.
Hi, Ringo. Don't know about
Come on,
Ringo.
Ringo.
Ringo, I rent you come collect. Ringo, no, I rent you come collect.
Ringo.
Look right there, man, you come collect.
Deal with it.
Ringo, the pastor. Rent you one.
Listen, man.
I rent you one.
Yes, Ringo, try. Ringo, you're hypocrite.
Rastafari. Holy man.
Where your friend is that?
You're right, me true. I move like a weak card, so I lie, you know. So I go on.
Nothing.
Yeah. So you stop trying to the man in the evening.
You know, I come out early, you know.
Hey, Dad. One thing I have to tell you, you know. I want to start chatting there again. Yeah.
You know what you better do?
Yeah.
You better hurry up and leave here before my father come catch you.
How are you talking about daughter, man? You hear me, daughter? Me and your old man, Irie, you know. You know, so yesterday, I see me and he heal me up. He must say, heal Rasta, me I say, heal pastor. Yeah, man, for real, man. Only one like this, yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Anyways.
Yeah.
You know what I want you to do for me?
Yeah, daughter.
Try to go up a jerky and get me a chicken for me.
I'm fire! How are you talking about daughter? Daughter, burn them things, daughter. Daughter, my blaze, daughter, hot pan them things, daughter. What are you talking about, daughter, man? Daughter, my burn them things, daughter. What are you
Why
talking
do you like that? I thought you like me.
Daughter, I like it, I'm not like chicken, yeah. Daughter, my blaze them things, hot, man. What are you talking about, daughter, man?
Alright, sorry, don't mean to upset you.
Sure.
You could get me some beef.
Daughter, a ton of pan beef. Daughter, Rasta blaze them things, hot, you know, daughter.
What am I gonna eat?
Daughter, oh, you have to leave a high child. A Rasta, you know. What you talking about, daughter, man? Blaze them things, hot, you know, star. What you talking about, daughter?
Alright, since you don't want to get the beef, get me some soup pork.
Daughter, and this Rasta?
No.
Daughter, this eye. Daughter, I'm telling you, put fire upon them things there. Hey, daughter, send them things to Rasta, you know. Daughter, I shall love me and fear, you know. You see, hey, daughter, you see when the eye get ultimate.
Excuse you?
I want the daughter, Philip, I shall. Daughter, I want you to stop eat meat. Daughter, stop fuck. Both old man like Selassie. Daughter, I want you to go to the hills and eat up your island, your idage, and your young king. Daughter, you know, so Rasta rate you. But one thing Rasta have to tell you, you know.
No, man. Bon Rasta there. Hey.
Ja! You buy strength. You give someone who pay gonna live next door to the eye.
Well, at least me not trying to sex me, not have to exercise.
That you know, so you're a pagan data. Data. Exercise your body, data. Exercise and keep it high.
At least some of us don't have to roll the streets in the night to be noticed.
A fire! On our night roll, control.
But I want to clean up the damn doing. You know the small way for always room. Guess why? Because some of we are just selling some centennial.
Data. You should talk about centennial. You see right now, you're mega every foreign link and you alone get it.
If some of us were reading the book, they'll know that we don't communicate with the dead. We bury them.
Come on. Boris, I mean, you gotta stop with.
Rasta mix na bang, Rasta mix up.
Come on. Little girl. Sex up one more time now. Open your mouth.
Kim!
You look, your crosses poop up. Come on, but I'll fuck you when I come back.
Kim, I hear a man voice out here. Kim!
Yes, Daddy?
Why you was out there?
Nobody, Daddy.
Kim! You sure you're nobody out there? I hear a man voice out here.
I didn't know man was out here.
Well on me. Don't go. The dread was here.
No, Daddy.
The Rasta boy was here.
No, Daddy.
By the fruits you shall know them. And when I smell that dread, I know it. I smell the smell of a coconut. And the dread always smell like coconut. You know what? I go to my church. And I don't want to see you on the dread. You hear me tell you? Anyhow, you are going across the road and the dread come across the road. If bus and truck and car come, you just shut the eye and go across. You hear me say? Don't make him look on you. And you don't look on him. Alright. I'm going down to church. You right, you? You think me the gun? Oh.
You know what no? You want to take the bench and start with some bench press. Up, down, up, down.
Why don't mind your damn business and leave me alone?
See my business there. You in front of my business, do your business, make my business can't make no business. You talk about my own business. Hey, you might have can't fool the pooper, you know? But you can't fool me. Hey, you think me don't say you're that little rasta boy I mix up?
Who, me?
No, me, because that's me I mix up with dreadlocks. Hey, take my foolish advice, you see? You make sure say that rasta boy I wear the pill then. And you make sure say I take a condom. Because if you don't take the condom and him don't wear the pill, then you get pregunta. And when that the 13-month come for that they put in the barn, it not go barn and ball like no ordinary pit in. There. They go barn and ball out Joe Rastafari. Never living, never faithful, never show Emperor Haile Selassie.
Why don't mind your damn business and leave people business alone?
My business? You know what I said? Last week or a week before, I out here and talk to your father. Say, Father, you know, say it's full time, Kim go find a man for yourself. Your father said, no. Anytime that time come, he will go to go find the man. I say, Pastor, you can't say no because every word in tick a bush he said, oh, Ringo. You see that the word, him a the tick.
Why your father don't stop chatting me?
May your father watch and chat to me, love. Believe that you kill his father. That's what your father say after that.
Your father say what?
Your father say that you are feathering. I have to be past it. You know how I get to know that now? Last week right before, I did come to that gate and I see your papa right there, so kneel up on the knee. I think I pray the man I pray now. See the man there?
This is great.
Hey, yes, when you look past me, he was so frightened for me and I make 4. But because I'm a pastor and I'm a deacon, I left one of my eyes, so you know, so I treat that.
It's all lie.
Your father say that you are feathering. Me don't know if you're a bird, or you're a chicken, Me don't know say mama is a junk already. But your father say that you are feathering.
You know what? I am not going to stand here and let you disrespect my mother like that.
Say that,
As a matter of fact, I'm going to tell the dread.
Hey. Don't come into that Rasta boy now. You know, say me that boy can't agree. And you hear me out here talk about what bird fan, what chicken fan, what fowl fan, what feather. Little girl, you can't make a joke.
So,
A joke, Eric. Joke.
alright.
Let's do it.
You don't tell my father about the dread, and I don't tell the dread what you said.
Oh. That's the me say you just mix up the two then. You go and breed you. Like Ziggy Marley and the Men of the Makers. Gee, little birds. All my... Right, hello, sir. You can't even find Kingston, sir. Me was the Kingston last. Hey, young man. You see there find Kingston? You tell me. How are you, man? Where you come from?
Country, sir.
So where are you doing?
Me de look for a lady with my two pastor man, you come take our country and come down the come up Obia, sir.
Wow.
One woman my two pastor man, you come take our country and come down the come up Obia.
So what you want that?
She named Beverly, sir.
So where for this Beverly Park?
My papa say my mama, sir.
Who tell your papa that?
One lady said banana market, sir.
Tell your papa say
No, she tell her friend Sandra, sir.
Oh, so Sandra go tell your papa?
No, sir, Sandra tell Sarah, sir.
And Sarah taking out tell your papa?
No, man, Sarah tell her friend Jennifer, sir. This man you come like him and mix up.
Oh, so Jennifer now take it tell your papa?
No, sir.
So who tell your papa?
Me don't know, sir.
So, country. Where the other yard?
Me don't know one man who name is Pampas. He promise one, me say man the room man.
Pampas Spanish. Oh, he's using new tenant. He's you supposed to collect, me don't collect your fam. He's you supposed to rent the party. I'm the landlord. It's my place.
You sound too different.
No man, you see Pampas? Pampas is my agent. Me landlord is my only place. I live right over there, so me near Ringo. So country.
Yes, sir.
You got money?
Yes, sir.
Give me. For the room. First month, last month, third month, and security deposit, that one. Country.
Yes, sir.
This bus take one by, don't it?
Yes, sir.
Alright, come here. Come here. For the Irish, you see a place called Salvation and Mercy book in here. Backside, you come at town, look place where you got money. Waste man, blast it there. Come grab the guy with the money there, man. Welcome to Kingston. This is your room, you see? This is your room. See this side? This side marked no trespassing. Alright? So anybody can knock on your door, you tell them no trespassing. Me live on this, I mean near Ringo, as I said before, me the landlord. I'm partially right there. I want to go live on this one. Don't talk to us, it's not a good girl. I want Rasta boy live on this one, it's not a good Rasta neither. The only friend you have on is me. So take my things and go inside. Huh? Go for your things. And hurry up. This is your room. I'll come and show you. Over here, so let's see, is the bathroom. The toilet, the shit was everything that one. Alright. Where went that to? You know, go and shit. Which pair of that? Alright, as I said before, now, this is your room, right? And it's right there, so it's the walkway. Rent that too. Good. And come and show you the kitchen. Come here. You want to show you the kitchen? Come on. Oh, you're broke. Welcome to Kingston. Go back in the house.
Ringo, I want to go in the yard. Eh? Mr. Walk go in the yard. I'm madman there, you know?
Is who you call madman carbine? Hey, Ringo, tell a girl about me now, cause a man getting like you don't know me.
What's the one Ringo go in the yard? Ringo, it's who that?
I don't know, Carbine.
Hey, no ramp with me, no. Mr. Where am I doing in the front room?
You know that man guinea cat? If that boy tell you the 1 minute when call all your name, then.
In the front room?
Go your front room.
And it look like him go come down to buy my money in our pan church.
It's rent the boy in that place. Don't talk about that. The boy got money.
What you say a while ago? The boy have money?
Who gets it knows it.
This Ringo shot here that long time, man. You think we should go put on the red frap? Oh, look.
You never look no better.
He knew that he was going to leave here already.
Are your next door neighbor come out?
No trespassing!
Boom, bang, connect! Yo, country. Country.
You work out.
Country.
You look good.
Country. Hey, wait.
Tell me something. You like to drink?
What?
No man, me not thirsty now. Come Spanish fly me.
No, me not mean like that.
The boy
You
say he
see?
does not drink.
Toothpick. Me not chat to you. Come over here. You see me? I'm working on one nice club down the road. Yeah, I'm a professional.
She's a go-go.
Yes, when I come down the road later,
She's
you can
a
ask anybody for me.
dancer.
My name is Dainty. Sexy Dainty.
She's a private dancer. A dancer. So sexy Dainty, you don't want to cheese your pictures this morning.
Nasty Ringo. I'm not cheap chips time now. You know, say green banana there.
Wait. Lad, wait.
Then Pastor, you forgot something?
What here? I mean, oh my gosh. Oh, sorry, dear. I thought it was my kitchen.
It's what it's for.
I took it up by mistake.
Aye, no wrong. Put me this morning the Pastor pee up. You pee up. Come.
But I didn't stay long.
What is all you mean you never stay long, Pastor? That is not my fault. Look here. Yes, when you come into my department, you make sure say I have the money, you know, you come pay up.
Alright, I didn't
Rude.
collect much at the church, you know. No, collection never come in, so
Me want
you can't hold that, you
everything.
see?
One. Me look like my school girl to you. What me I do with lunch money, eh?
Alright, sure. You don't have to go answer, sure.
Oh, no, hold on, one young girl. You try come.
Alright, see there. Not too bad.
Oh, you're serious? What? Bam! Everything, Pastor, everything. More you dig to your right. Then you go and dig to your left. Pastor, go down in the jackpot. Go down in there.
Alright, it's everything. I'm a mechanic at church. You see, this is from the blind people department. The poor thing couldn't even see for true collection.
Why does that even look too strong in the early morning, you know?
But that I go on now. Not more than that.
I'm going to work for this, you know. But you see tomorrow morning when you come back, you try to come better than this, you hear
You
me?
come better than that. You're sweet little thing. You're so nice.
Come out, your money done.
Why does she have to get on like that? Why you have to get on like that? I tell you, see. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do the cake. I wonder if I wonder if this. I get it. Got the chair so before. Babe, get up. Me can't go. Listen. Go lay on the side there before she.
Who you? Where you go there?
But who are you?
How are you?
up here, say, young boy, I come from church. Boy, I tell you, me just bad luck, you know. And 2 man hold me, and rob me, and beat me, and tear me clothes now. Them and them friend. You tell you, boy.
Oh, God. Poor thingy, man.
A church me come from, you know.
Oh,
and they hold me up and take away every cent off of me.
Poor thing. Then you alone live here, sir?
No, me and my wife.
Then what's your wife's name, sir?
Well, now, this is a pastor wife.
This what happened? This what happened? This what is who him? Who you?
I come in, you know. I want to come in. If you ask the car,
Kim!
No, me can't.
This one really
Come here! What the way bound in that place, man? Come here!
Where you come from?
Come here, Kim.
Kim, come here!
I don't believe this.
It's who him, Kim, you know him?
Kim will say, your father come from church, you see? I want to come from church. Mr. This little boy, I'm going to do it there. I'll grab him, the boy hold me. Jesus! And when the boy don't fist me,
You never called police.
I boy said he would not jump, I couldn't guard out.
Oh, God.
He said, this boy, you know him?
Daddy, I know him. Yeah.
You know what
You
you
know
have
him?
That damn thief, you know him? Have you seen him go through the window? Yes, sir. I tell you about the damn girl we have, yeah? You is like she and she's like you, pound it just like what?
Shut up! No, sir, this is one more evidence. No, man. Ringo! 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 No, man.
Trey.
Where's the boy? You don't know that they are talking to them. Who them? What the hell's so crowded? Ringo! 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 You come here, Ringo.
Hey, boy, you ain't that man. This one, that's what you're going to be. Hey. Why, Ringo?
What is this, man?
Forget your boy, go to the window.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Hey, boy. Hey, I don't think, man.
What do you mean on TV?
You do that. This is the people kill you, man.
What up, Ringo?
You leave that man.
Hi.
Why?
Hi. Hello. Inside.
Where you up for? Where can I go?
It's who him?
He will leave that. He ready to place, right?
They up on restaurant in place that we don't know.
I'm not understand.
Hey. Then Pastor, it's where you coming from this early time of morning, boy, you lost your key. Hey.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Pastor, it's where you coming from this early hours in the morning, boy, you lost your key. Answer. Answer the pastor.
We
Where you coming from?
answer to him wife, not to you. Where you come from? Where really you come from? Me say chat up where you come from. Me say where you come from? They chat now where you come from. And that means you prefer to tell where you come from. They tell me where you come from. I'm going to tell where you come from. Where you come from? You tell me where you come from. Well, tell me where you come from. Because I lost the key and just that. Lost the key. No wait, I never seen a shutter before.
That may I show you. When I come from church, I want to go up, you see, I'm going to tell you at church.
You know something? I don't believe
What do you mean?
word when you say.
What do you mean?
I don't believe you.
Listen. Hey.
This is the like print out to my face.
Babe. Hey, Chaffy, you know.
Since I
babe,
think I know
you have provoked me, you know. You have provoked the spirit, you know. You're provoking the spirit. I feel like preaching. You know, I said, Ashantalamakunte. Beef in a market, soup in a bone. Dirty nigga, let evil business alone. Yeah, some young girl, like take man money, I don't give them nothing. Yeah, some young girl, I take all pastor money, but I said, the good book says, he that keepeth his mouth, keepeth his life. Ashantamakuntela. I tell you something.
You know he's a wicked old man.
Wicked.
He's a very wicked man, eh?
Wicked
Why
like-
all the while you choose to preach, eh? Get that short permit.
Get that short permit.
Eh? When we did young, you pay down for me. Me I take money from you, eh?
Yeah,
You can't pray without dashboard.
Well, may I preach? May I preach?
I don't believe a word you're saying, man.
I just always say you don't believe me.
I
Why you
don't believe
me?
you.
Why you don't believe me?
Like print out.
Pastor, I believe you. Cause you don't pass with me.
It's
Hey.
not she's enough with you. Me notice from the end, she up sin and walking.
Pastor, what are we about weeping and wailing and fasting and gnashing of tongue?
You see this? Because your careless, dirty living. You make all kind of dog and flea take liberty.
Hi, I'm a pastor.
Eh?
You hear me say? I
You
never
walk like
clean.
one.
How you mean? Eh? That girl, I tell her to come to church.
You clean
You
the
know, me never pay the man. You're going to stay there and
See you that way. Where do you think you're going?
Inside.
You're not coming in here.
Oh, you mean me not come inside? Ben, honey, hold the...
Go on back where you come from.
You can't do that. Ben, buy my chinny chin chin let me. Ben, alright. Go back where I come from. What's wrong with that? Me go back where I come from and you send me back here. Let me go back where I come from.
You're looking nice today. I just come back to apologize for my father's behavior. He's not normally like that, you know.
Feel Papa, if I didn't ever feel Papa, I'm rock from the boy, like that wasn't a
Snake on the grass, you finally crawl out, eh? What? How are you skin a jump for man? I look on the man to do it.
This is who trouble sharing, Williams.
Let me tell you something. I'm me around here, so I must see a country you come from. You wait, man, I soon sort you out.
Don't pay no mind, I choose flux.
You know what? I'll talk to you later, alright?
Me talk to you later too. And the club ever talk later. You know what, man? Ringo, come here. Let me ask you something. I'm not fast. No, I'm not fast now. Mix up.
Yo, country, go put on that man.
But me I eat.
Go put it up.
But me I eat.
What? Hey, what?
Ringo.
What?
Tell me something. How would they do in a yard there?
Yo, youth. Let me tell you something, you see? It's a yard there. The yard there and country, one different. You see anything happen in the yard there, you keep it to yourself. Anything you see around you, keep that to yourself. Yo, you see if you even hear the pastor man, and the go-go girl there, don't tell nobody. Keep it to yourself. It's like call the pastor daughter and the rasta boy there. Don't tell nobody, keep that to yourself.
No man, myself can't hold so much something. Can't eat that to myself, can't keep it.
You, I'm doing as my born and growing up. I may tell you this. Doing as well different. You have a see and blind, hear and deaf. Doing as well not 3 rules. That is rule number 1. Rule number 2, you must see and blind, hear and deaf. You may tell them my youth? Alright.
Then what rule number 3, sir?
Don't forget the first 2 rules. So yo, country.
Yes, sir.
You know what they work again?
Yes, sir.
May I ask you a question? What kind of work you do in the country?
Tie out cow, sir.
Okay. Alright, Mr. Stalia. Me go want you run the Stalia. Alright? I go want you be the general manager for the Stalia. You ever manage anything yet?
Cow, sir.
Mr. Stalia, the Stalia and cow are two different things. Mr. Stalia right now, as long as you manage the Stalia, I don't want you giving nothing for the Stalia.
No, sir.
I don't want you trust nothing for the
No,
Stalia.
sir.
And I don't want you name nothing for the Stalia. You hear me I say? No, your first job today is the stocky star. Right? So what I want you to do, go through the fence. See it? Go through the fence. And go this side. Go down the lane. When you find in the corner, you just want Chinaman shop. You go in and tell the Chinaman say, you want half dozen bag of cheese sticks, some Guinness, some red stripes, some Heineken, some buns, some mackerel, some sardines, some Red Bull. You want some bigger soft drinks and then there's a bottle of water. Alright? And some tissue and some soap and some cigarette. And you can cook?
Yes, sir.
And then come back, you bunk up 2 bags of rice with me and you here. Alright, then you clean up my room. And come back and sweep up half of the yard. Remember that?
Mm-hmm.
Why not come back? You're not gonna make it. Hey, that's what you want to become a coach one time, you know. Boy, I'm taking it out here.
Where money there, sir?
Do that again, man. We don't use money at all. Just tell the Chinaman say, Ringo, no. Tell the Chinaman say he's an extortionist. Extortionist. Tell the Chinaman say you come to extort him. When you say ex, you will understand. Yeah. Extortionist.
Abortionist.
You're not gonna make it. Boy, not gonna make it all like that. This one man is up pool. Across the
Problem.
Ice mint, wriggles, bubble gum, cigarette, cheese stick, scale out, everything must
Ringo.
go. Everything
How much
must go.
Panadol they
Ice
give you
mint,
two?
cigarette.
Give me 2 Panadol the Ringo.
Do what?
Panadol.
$500.
Lord man, me nah ask you the price. Just give me 2 Panadol no ring.
No man, I stop trust man, I new management, you know.
Me nah trust. Alright, you have an Andrews. Give me Andrews now.
$500 for Andrews too.
Ringo man. Oh, me can't make it look so hard man. Give me an Andrews now man. Me have problem Ringo man.
Babe, for your married today, the pastor man, you have a problem. I'm stop trust.
Ringo. Nobody do me some man. Me always pay no care how much me take from you.
You,
But the longest me ever take to pay you 6 months.
me top trust.
Lord of his mercy, Ringo man. You can't help what's mad in a problem. Me no problem, Ringo, problem.
Babe, right now I said me sell them, I never come with a man.
Wow, this is a problem.
That man
Bigger
is
than
up
me
my
and my husband now in a Ringo. I don't even know what to do. Me get on fool.
Listen to you.
Problem, Ringo.
What kind of problem?
Ringo, I don't even want to tell you because you're too chatty, man.
Hey, if I hear me walk up in business, make you problem to yourself, make you kill you.
Ringo, me can't find my son, my child.
Then baby, you have son.
Of course, me have a child. I'm leave him down the country.
Hold on. You roll up your pin, they come and come.
No, Ringo, you have it wrong. I did not run left my child. I took the bus come to town for a better life. Nothing no wrong with
Oh,
that, Ringo.
so you take a bus, left your pin, they come out town, for a better life.
Yeah.
Why back your pin, they come with you?
Ringo, you must understand, when I just come here to the church back I did live.
So make him a care people live at your back
No,
with you.
it could not live round
He's a
here.
wicked woman.
Then Ringo,
You and my mom
I
are the
look
same
after my
blood.
child, Ringo. I send money down the country every month. I send toys every Christmas.
Last time, what about man and love?
Lord,
You.
I talk to them on the phone.
No, Jesus. No, you must think to me I'm rough with them today. Must think them done must be so.
Hey boy.
Them things that we couldn't fight.
I'm a thing that come. Take them up. Take them up.
No, you're gonna kick him again, man.
Hey, what is that? Every job I think is a gun. Hey?
Ringo, take that thing.
Let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question. How you trouble on the road? Who you trouble on the road?
One boy just stung me in one of my face them.
And boy thump you? Boy thump you? Can you show me who thump you?
Yeah, come on, me show you where you're bad.
Hold on. Which boy thump you?
Them same name.
Shata? Shata? Shata thump you?
Yeah, man.
You're sure you Shata thump you?
Shut up.
You're lucky no thump you kill you.
Then Ringo, we have to move from out here now.
Hey boy, you can't go on the road and sit back on chimney. Yeah, you can't go on by my chimney.
You don't understand what easy up now, man. Ringo, while I'm going to kick him in the feet, rain, I'm going to tell the back.
Hey, boy, pack up my stand. You know your class now?
No matter what you say, you're not trouble.
No, Mr. Top. Boy, make sure you come and start pack up now. Hey boy, you see your class? What tell them up? Tell them up. Protect you. Bro, open it up. You see? Hey boy, take up a chimney, Mr. Take you up. Take you up. Take up a chimney, Mr.
Jimmy, I'm not you. This is where you pass. I'll take up the chicken.
Hey boy. Take up a chimney, Mr. Take up a chimney, Mr. Can't put you from the start. Eh? Why you put you from the start? Parents, you want to put you from the start.
No sense, Ringo, man.
If you have sense, man, you have
Ringo, please. Just
boy, so me come again,
give me no sense.
make sure you pack up my style. I'm going to deal your face when I come again.
Ringo, I'm in trouble, Ringo, I'm in trouble. Yes, what happened now? I have big trouble. What happened in there, now you...
That's a horrible game. I'm gonna have somewhere I go. I'm gonna get this a time. No.
Hey boy, I'm start up, sir. Eh? Go fix up my style. Go fix up the style.
I'm gonna fix it now.
Move. Hey boy, you can't go on the road down white bad man with chimney. Eh? You idiot? Eh? Hey boy, you know when I wire this cars now? You don't make your man down the road that call me? Ringo and Chimmy friend, hey boy, me your friend? Hey boy, me know you?
Yeah, God no. Are you rent me there so?
Me rent your place, boy?
Yeah, you say me never talk to nobody, me only must talk
Hey
to
boy,
you.
come here. See you? You say you can't go down the road now, though. You say you can't go back, no, don't know the more shut up if kill you. Hey boy, you idiot?
Yeah.
You? Come here.
Yeah, well, yeah, Papa, go in close.
Sit down there, sir. You say as long as you're paranoid, you can't be no idiot. You have to be a gangster. I see you, I go big gangster in you. But you got no do, you got all bad man cheap.
Ringo. One of the things I'm afraid of you. I'm here alone, you have strength, but I have strength for your belly and have no miggle. Them teeth them in them head colorful like Skittles. You say me a bag friend, if you ever come out there and come boy like you want to fight me, I give him a beat him up. Come and not take my vitamin, that's why I'm get me here. I'm not say me better than him.
Hey boy, where you say all that? Where you say all that?
Me, sir.
So where you say all that?
Yes. Jesus loved me, this I know, for the Bible tells me.
What's your speech now? You got to know God, bad. Make I tell you something. Make you kill someone. You see all who be dead, they die already. And all who want to live now. That boy want to live.
Me not dead already.
You see next thing I don't know what you make sure say you see shatter before you see you. Ah, anyone else you will kill you. No. So this, make sure when you go to do the one of this. Now talk to you man.
Let me do something.
Hey boy, I talk to you. I'm not packing. Your country?
Yes, sir.
Ghetto?
No, sir. Anything you have to do it, yes, sir.
Hey boy, I'm tapping in it.
No, sir.
Ghetto?
I want to go back to country.
Hey boy, what's the answer? Yes, sir. Anything you're going to do, you see? You make sure you want this. What is? Boy, take it. Take it. Hey boy, jump in. Hey boy, man. Come on, murder, come on. Hey boy. Where you going? Where you going?
It's under my arm.
Take it out. No, pretend I'm in here, shut up, I need for me. Hey boy, make you touch me now. Find the pan. What do you think of them?
Them not function, me got clinic a man in.
Squeeze it. Squeeze that. Squeeze it. Hey boy, what you doing?
Me a squeeze it.
Here, let me. Watch him. Look at me. Look at me. What are you going to say? One. Put it on your waist. Come. Put it in there. Alright. Use the right hand now. Do so. Okay, ready? Just that finger here. That finger here, go between. Yo! That finger here. Pull up by the cheek, alright? Ready? Work up. Hey boy, where you going? Where you going there?
It's in my front.
Hey boy, take you. Yeah, idiot. Take out it. You know you do? Go and play gun. Tomorrow make you go and place. Come and teach you how to shoot that. Here? Go and put it down. Yo, boy! Now yo.
And then when you give it to one black something.
Hey boy, I make your gun.
Yeah, to one black something.
Hey boy, go put it down. Go put it in your room. Let me say must see I'm done here and there. Go put it in your room. Go put it down. So like you're a gunman now?
Me, sir.
Yeah, my friend, you have a gun, you're a gunman.
Alright, you don't want me gunman, so I'm going to give you back the gun, sir.
I'm going to put a shot in your knee. Slow down, sir. Let me tell you about kill some. There's two things going to kill some. You have to be a gunman and a girl's man. You probably come from my country and a girl for yourself.
Them say one cow don't get me woman, sir. I'm going to breed it.
Hey boy, do you cow?
Yeah, God no accept everybody dead.
No talks again.
Oh, that's true.
They will kill the cow and yummy and then kill you. Make sure you get a real guy for yourself. You like the pastor daughter? She's nice, don't it? A good girl. How much you go?
No, sir, that it poison me.
Yeah. Your teacher will get into together for yourself. Your practice by into together. So they get into together, they get any guy town you want. Right? When she pass the daughter, she start to fragile. You have to anger with her, we talk to her nice and we talk to her decent. But if you want to get on the pass the daughter good side, you just wait till a morning 6 o'clock when she come out and exercise. And you come out and meet it. But here you have to have an approach. See? You have to say a thing like this. Listen me now. I go say, hi baby, how you doing?
Jesus, I can't sing.
Say it. Say it. Say, hi baby, how you doing? Say it.
Hi, baby.
You think I call your daughter? Say it again. And this time talk softly. Nice, smooth. Hi baby, how you doing? Soft. Yes. Hey. Last time I'm gonna show you. See, now catch it right? You shot in your knee. Now pretend say 6 o'clock in the morning. Alright? Pretend say me, I pass the data. Look me. You know look me. Mister, if you look me. Hey boy, make it out of me. Hey?
My stomach sick.
Me sick at all?
God knows in my stomach.
You will live. Consider. You know where about that. You just make sure you come out your sister can go every morning. One day you must get the parcel out, alright? Now you see you go, that easy to catch. All you have to do is make sure the cheese is on the start. But if you have to have a look at style, then call it a profile. Now watch this now. She'll come on that way, other way. And when she'll come from, you just come out there and catch her. Watch me boy, hey, country, watch me. Catch. Eh? I see some. Alright? And since you come, you just say this. Yo! There's nothing more. I'll try that. Let's try it. What is the boy? The boy everybody dead. Watch me, watch out. Hey. Alright. I say, yo, talk to like you talk to go. Moo! You can't say moo, you have to say yo. Alright. Let me tell you. Hey, sit down, come on. Hey, remember me, you talk loud, you say yo. Yeah, remember that. Hey! Moo!
No.
No.
No, man.
Ringo, come and box me.
Problem. Kim, what is wrong with you?
Mommy, I'm not feeling well.
You drink tea this morning?
Yes, Mommy, so that's not...
You having an headache or what?
No, Mommy, man.
What is wrong with you? Tell it to me. You have a problem?
Mommy, that depression.
What? What you said?
Relax, Mommy.
Damn it, after all. I know it. So why you just wait to tell me now, child? Why you just tell it? If you're afraid to tell me, why you never tell teacher at school? Jesus, what did they do? Why do? Mr. Tell me why do? I swear I'm going to lock you
Relax,
up.
Mommy. Just pressure me to be the church secretary.
Oh, damn it, after all. But nothing is wrong with that. Wanted you to be a church secretary. No, you make me all think so smutty about your dad. Eh? I was just reading the other day that a man want to rape his daughter. And that is what I think about. No. You always a complain and you're boring and you want something to do. Eh? Why you don't take the offer?
Me, I don't want to do that.
Why not? What you want to do? Eh? Jig up like them other girl on the street? You don't think you better go to church go do something? He's a good offer, man. I go and talk to him. Take it. Or better yet, if you don't want to be the secretary, make him be the treasurer.
To do what?
Treasurer, and with the money. And you know, we need money. No, I'm not telling you to thief, you know. You can't take some at a time.
Mommy,
Don't feel no way about it, man. I will teach you how to do it. Yeah? You won't find out. Yes, and then you will have something to do and we can share the money. Talk to your father, I'm going to talk to him.
So Kima, what do you?
if the rebel in you can touch a rebel in me, and the rebel in me can touch a rebel in you, and the rebel will be is gonna set us free.
Ringo, walk one in the sun. No shish, me say walk one in the sun.
Angel, it's Beanie and Barbie inside here.
Oh man, you come like you're deaf. Me say what Kima do in the sun with me man.
Your man just changed course. Don't stop the progress.
Progress. Alright, me want to say pastor, no wonder the progress there. Pastor!
Where do you? Let me spend nice for. Calm yourself.
You know you always them something, huh? Take my man, the man give them way now. But in all, some more.
No.
Get it.
I told you specifically say, first come, first serve. Sit down by your turn.
I'm saying now, wait.
Sit down. Hello. One at a time. Sit down by your turn. I'm sure you got some money. Collect going there. Toes nine. Sit down.
You're not to go, my man. Ringo.
Yeah,
I
man.
must always promote me go and bad like me whole nigga in the yard.
Yeah, man.
What do you mean by man?
You know who is that boy, sir?
No, my man.
A big son.
Hey, you must stop telling lies. He's a liar, wicked and nasty, man.
This is a big boy. Or him because big mama, big because his mother something, but they don't hurt him. A big picnic.
Give me the one I should have looked for.
You know, film. Got him up there, work him out and go and put my set him up. So I broke him out and now.
Oh my God, like you serious?
Are you serious?
You mean say a bed?
Yeah.
No, man, move up your body.
Come here, bigger please tell about.
Man, that means that you are promote family ram in the song.
Come out here.
Family ram.
You know, that boy is there with the cow. Don't reach Ram, it's with you. Sit down and find your turn.
We don't know?
Do your turn.
No, man. Last minute they know about me, eh? What me gonna do with that daughter? So look, I don't want him. Me don't want him. Here we know you and Kim can't keep him. I'm gonna get ready for work. Got a road nice.
When the fox can get the girl, they say sour. One sour girl. Yeah, see. One thing me know. And my boy that.
It's almost 6 months I don't came up here now. So these people there
better try have my money, you know. Can you imagine I have my own house and I pay rent for these culprits? Prostitute! How are you on prostitute there? You know what? He on them this morning. No, I don't rent this room yet. I am serious this morning, serious like a judge. I won't even smile. You think I don't know you're in there? Eh? Oh. You know that you rent, Joe? What is the name again?
Babe.
Okay. How you spell, babe?
Just right, Dutchy, babe.
Alright, we can't spell Dutch. Anyway, I don't have to spell your name. I'll never do the look on you and draw you. Hello? Come, I alright, she said, here just in time. I hope anybody care come from. I need my rent money today. Come on. Oh, she said, you. Let me tell you something. You see this room here? You don't have an iPad? I don't ready for rent it yet. Come on, take it down. You say your face big and a circus? Watch it. Ringo, my boy. Ringo. How are? Pampas, do yourself a favor. Take for yourself before they sell you too. I'm out of here, you're right. Right here!
Rastafari.
Rastafari, I'm here!
I know that.
What the eye, the blind the eye?
Yeah, I want blind the eye. Why all the while you try to disrespect the eye?
Me!
You! Why you knock on the rest of people place one time and knock on my own 10 times?
Me!
You! So you try this side?
Me!
You! Make I tell you something. Don't come back on here. Don't come back on here. All the while you come and try to disrespect Rasta.
Me!
You! You make Rasta look wild somewhere. Give me them. It's from now on, I run things on us. You know, some of you have to tell all the people in boss, and they come to boss, you see the eye eat pork. You ever see the eye eat pork?
Them say yes, cause them jerk it give you.
You take Rasta for mackerel.
Me Ras, me not take it for mackerel.
Boy. You know, say this Rasta.
Me!
You! Hey, Rasta, go put this fire in the boy. Take for yourself.
Come on, house, come.
Me! You! Nobody are going like you wicked. And I'm going like you don't know, so Rasta will disrespect you. You see, anyone come out and come on and they want this Rasta. Hey, I actually go and know enough. Any boy come back in my place. I mean, I run things down enough. Because some boy are going like wicked. Any boy try this thing. You kill with that boy. You got this up a boy.
Yeah.
No.
You run here, son.
No.
Run away.
Fool, that's it.
Problem. When I go and solve this problem, Father God, I beg you to help me solve it. Where else can I turn? Where can I look? But I left Kim cook. I'm hungry, I can't eat.
Mommy, what is wrong with you?
Kim, baby, I don't really like to tell you, but a shame.
Come on, Mommy, man, you know you can't talk to me.
You sure?
Yes, ma'am. What is it?
Kim, I don't even want to tell you.
Mommy, what is wrong?
Kim, I can't find my son.
Something wrong with you? What son are you talking
I
about?
have a child, Kim. Yes, I do have a child. I left him down the country like 20-something years. It's not that I give him away or anything, you know. Because I send money down the country every month. And I send him toys every Christmas.
So why you never tell me about this?
Kim, I didn't know how to tell you. Time just catch up on me and I didn't tell you. But sorry about it. I have a wonderful son. And I have something else to tell you, darling. But please don't take it as a shock. It is true, but just take it calm. You is not my child.
What?
You're not my real child. Kim, I had us to take it from you from your born. To take the shame out of the church. Your father got deacon wife pregnant. And we took her away and you was born, and from that I have you. Never mind. Never mind. I do understand. Never mind, Kim.
Mommy, so you talk to Daddy about this?
I tell him yes, but he's just not listening to me.
Daddy! Daddy, come here.
Yes.
Daddy, come here once.
Don't even want to tell him again, because he know everything about it.
I just about go to our church, you know. Because John, I appoint him as deacon and he come like him want to take the whole of the money. And me and John, I want pound and carry, you know. I'm going to run joke and with it. And me and John build up the church.
Daddy, that's not what I want to talk about.
What are you talking about now?
Mommy have a son and he's missing and you're not doing anything about it.
Kim, you have a picnic?
No, Daddy.
Kim, you have anybody missing?
No, Daddy.
Kim, you missing?
No, Daddy.
Kim, me missing?
Daddy, no.
Kim, us missing?
No, Daddy.
Now with the backside you worry about Bevan or damn picnic we're missing. Eh? Picnic missing. Should I report a kingfish? Eh? Hey, watch it out. Why don't take flashlight and go look for that backside? Eh? Hey, why you worry about? Worry about the dancing contest where I come up. Because you have to enter. You hear me say? It's $2.10 million. You hear me? And he want us to put on the roof of the church. Oh, so you remember saying we have to go there and dance. Whether you like it or not, you have to win. Whether you enter or not, you have to win. You hear me say? Whether you want to go or not, you have to win. Oh, and you better start taking exercise, you know. Because you're going to enter the competition too. You must enter that competition. You hear me say? Because if you don't win, you have to win. And if you don't win, you have to win. One must win. Me don't talk. Me don't talk.
I just can't believe
Me don't talk.
the husband gets strange. No, look, the house for sale. We don't live nowhere never talk about church family.
So you will left your youth.
How dare you?
Oh dear, yo, wicked mama.
Wicked like you dirty woman getting a banana trash. How to father bright and feisty. The forward. That's how Ringo do. Pack up your head and nonsense and tell the people busy but don't tell you it right. I didn't run left my child. I took the bus come to town for a better life.
A better life for a better man.
I said, don't talk to me like that. Huh? From the day I see, I know that your man I get if you a bunch of banana. Have no respect. Mark the word with me, you know. I'm a big woman. A senior citizen could be your mother. Come on, you're out of father.
No, man. Nasty Rasta boy. Come here.
She box me. Yo, daughter, I want you to get on. Come and put white here, daughter. I don't want to make myself look worried, son. You saw you did Rasta. I just so much. I don't pot. I'm going to deal with it.
Rasta boy.
Yeah.
Me say me never cooking your pot
So where you use Rasta thing and do that? Where you use the eye thing and do? Yeah?
You want me use stand up?
Yes, I want to know
But
you
I
use
said to
that.
panty in there for soak.
No, you see all them king the way I'm going. I think Rasta be fool, you know.
Why?
Hey, daughter, don't say that again, you know. Because it's a joke, you know.
What?
Daughter, I like to say that again. You know, so step in your face, you're going like.
Oh man.
Yo, Boras. Put up yourself.
I'll involve the Rasta thing to ball till. What you do? And I come to look, you know, peace and I preach. And the daughter decide.
Peace I preach.
Yes, I.
Do something for me then.
Yes, I am.
Well, on a jerky and tell me to get 2 pounds of jerk pork. And yo, taste it and make sure say load the pepper. So what I say? Afro?
No, I.
What I say?
We do a jerky. I get 2 pounds of pork and make sure it's full of pepper.
What you do?
Yes.
Oh, one then now.
Country. I would just.
Don't call me country. Shebada, my name.
Then Shebada, you turn bad man.
Don't study me. You with mad.
You know me love my bad man them.
Take away your froze yourself. Yo, forward.
I couldn't know that.
Go home.
I just bring back your jacket for you. You know what? I have a surprise for you. Okay, tidy your room.
Yo, B. Clean up your quarters.
So why are you talking to me like that? I have something I want to talk to you about. My father pressured me to enter this dance competition and I don't want to. I feel if I enter, people going to lose respect for me. And most of all, I don't want you to lose respect for me. The only reason why I would enter doing this for my mother because she really need the money. The other day was so amazing. The way you make me feel, the way you give me the bed, and you sleep on the floor, and you're not even asking for sex.
Yo, Kim, let me tell you this. And every time a man and a woman go behind closed door, they must sex. Sometimes they just go behind closed door and flex.
Stop it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oops. Ringo. Ringo, 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 Ringo. Ringo. Ringo, 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 Ringo. What the hell is that? Oh my Lord. I'm happy to see you, brother. Ringo, what happened? You not glad to see me? Ringo, you not happy to see me? Ringo, 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 Ringo.
Smurf, stop ringing my name, man.
Oh, you mean stop ringing to name? I'm your provider. You not happy to see me?
You're that wicked man.
What wicked? What are you
I
talking
please
about?
you make me go in.
With what?
Oh, if you have me MSC for you, one guy left me. With the gate money, receipt money, back on everything.
Yeah, but Ringo must understand as a promoter, when things not going your way, you got to flee from the Philistine. Nah. But don't worry, man, I'm here. I'm with a new plan. You don't happy, huh? Ringo, listen to me. I was thinking about something. You see this year, the competition is going to be bigger and better. We're going to offer $2.5 million.
This year?
Yeah?
I'm going to be a nightmare for you in that one. And I'm going to kill you.
Come on, Ringo, man. For
Me not got prison for you.
$2.5 million? $2.5 million? $2.5 million?
Smurf, I don't care.
$2.5 million?
2.5 million?
Yes!
That's what I like money.
So, hey, come here, Ringo, man. You know, I was thinking about the place and I say, you see this year competition is gonna be here in the yard. Right? Look, you have a stall right there. So we can bring the competition right in the yard. I would have to pay nobody for no rental.
That's
Think about it.
Deal, but 2.5 million.
Yes!
Money from.
I don't worry about it, man. I'm a promoter. And this year, it's gonna be only female.
No, yeah, because you're like ding dang and
No. We don't want any males this year. We only want females.
That means man, we can't get some boy for that and listen because she man them know.
Ringo, are you listening to me? I said no males, only females.
This is a female.
Females. Button.
What may I say? It's like a 2.5 million. I'll have to split the money in that two. Give the woman the one.
Ringo, you're not listening to me. Hold on. No, man. Something going wrong. No, man. Your face is on diet.
Oh, no, Ringo, man. Shape up my... But Ringo, just come and check me, man, okay?
So Smurf,
What?
me ask you a question. You couldn't just take him 5 man and...
Ringo, I said no. Read my lips. Hey, can you comprehend? Did you go to school? Only females. Okay? Catch it. Tell me something. My baby here? Huh?
Only female.
Yo, ahora. Mayo, don't chat in ahora.
Amida,
What you want?
I ain't gonna talk to you.
Mayo, don't ask now. What you want?
Man, talk to you.
I hope say I hope something and I saw it going and say, please.
You big man, come to the chat here, man.
Yeah, waste, man.
This boy is easy. Come by. Me must say please. No, me say now come out. Please. May I talk to you? Let me tell you. Yes! Yeah! Very style. Watch that boy, super fast. Quick.
Yo, Mayo, dog grounds.
Hold on. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of myself. Real time. One thing I can tell you. Don't you ever try this thing again. Remember, say me bring you. Alright. Hey, here's English shut Here's English shut
Yo, see I'm blind, ear and deaf.
I said something about you to want to kill you, know. You need a smell. But me ready to do it. But here I know. Is a serious smell there. We put on a competition every year. A dance competition, you know. And this year, the money bigger. This year the money is $1 million. So me here see a guy like a passa and the bang and this thing them. So me the one dance now. If you could find a girl we can dance, you can send the one no man in there to pay a female, right? So if you can't find a girl we can dance, more take care of the winnings. All you have to do, make sure you guys can dance. See? And there is pretty money between each other, 50-50. You see? You get 100,000, me get 100,000, and she get 100,000. That cool? Give that to me, yeah? I'm gonna ask reason. I tell that never leave. Respect what you have with my. Yo, we'll see you next time in that point you do. Welcome to this 2008 dance-off in the Ghetto dance-off competition. And tonight we have 1, 2, 3, 4 contestants waiting for $2.5 million. They're waiting for because somebody's gonna walk away with a whopping $2.5 million in cash. Cash, we say cash. And now we have Pastor, who is one of our dear neighborhood community judge. And we have the producer himself. Mr. Smurf is a pastor. You guys?
Hi, hello, guys. I'm here, get on.
Now, if anything wrong, I just say if anything go wrong with this competition, name the producer. Good. Now, are you ready? 4, Contestant number 1. Lady, we call her the Eily one. Ras Rahim. Place your hands together for Ras Rahim. Read him up. Stop.
I'm going to put you on the choir.
That was contestant number 1, vying for $2.5 million, and she's in the money. Put your hands together now. For contestant number 2, this lady danced for a living. She danced all night long, and she's here tonight to ring up a star. Put your hands together for Dainty. Ring him up. Stop. All right, okay. That was contestant number 2, the lady Dainty, dancing for $2.5 million. Next, this lady's last year winner, and she's here this year to reclaim the prize of number 1 position again. Put your hands together for the lady we call Merkel from the Gully Bounce. Merkel. Contestant number 3, the lady Merkel from the Gully Bounces. Next we have contestant number 4. Now this lady is from the church, representing the church community. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together now for contestant number 4, Lady Kimberly. Ladies and gentlemen, you have seen. Listen up. You have seen the 4 contestants. Now, by your applause and your applause only, we will choose the winner tonight. So, what do you say for contestant number 1?
Is the entrance.
What you say for contestant number 2?
I don't think I have to tell you the same thing, you know. Look for you. You're not happen. You forgot shopping. I don't come back this. Come on.
Say for contestant number 3, Merkel from the Gully side.
Landslide.
Oh, woman.
What you say for Pastor Daughter, contestant number 4?
Yeah! You this is curry favor. Where you going? Curry favor. Shebada come at town. The Ghana country.
Me not take this up. Me not take this up.
You have called him. You have called. That joke about say, come. Kim. Tell it is on. Leave. Kim. I say leave here. How you can lose? How the boss say you can lose? It never so. No, this have to count over. This can't go. How you can lose? Mr. Kim, all you do, when the music starts to play, all you have to do, cut it up. You know? That's all you have to do. What me teach you? Take the things and let it up.
It's not my fault.
How the boss say you don't know your fault? You think the boy that get my money, so? Motherfucker, we kill that picture.
That is weird. Wait, no.
Don't say that to me.
Hey, bring up the boy. Who is this?
Hi, baby. You want somewhere to live?
I don't come out of that.
Hey, little girl, me must say, my own me, no. Hello, you walk and stop like it. Hello. Call them off me, no, girl. Hello, don't tell them to start. Come give me money, Yomi.
Tell me that you can't wait.
Just give me the money.
Ringo, wait. Let run go down the country go identify.
No, give me money, no, man. Give me
Ringo,
money.
I have a problem with telling somebody that then find one body and never got identification
Yeah,
for my son. No, Ringo. I'm going to give him a phone. Ringo, wait. I'm going to give him a phone. Wait till my husband come.
Yo, man, yo.
Why?
I mean, I beat up the fool.
Mother?
Yeah, mommy, and me, Wesley.
Wesley? No, this can't be real. Wesley, are you? Wesley? Are you this?
Ringo, give my chicken. Hey, run.
I'm going to beat down where you are. Hey, man. Wesley, you can't breathe, man, Wesley.
Run.
Yeah, I'm with him, what?
Oh, Jesus Christ. Wesley, where you get that from? What? Too good?
They say I look like
Wesley, no, Wesley.
Pastor!
Who shall tell about Kuntela? As the good book say, listen to me, son, I'm a pastor. Thou shalt not kill.
Yo, the book never said thou shall not commit adultery. Go. Move. I don't mean.
I know something was wrong.
I don't mean. Listen to your mother.
I want to be a mother now for you, Wesley.
Yes.
I want to take you to the park. I want to buy you a lollipop. Wesley, please don't beat it. Don't work it.
Yes, me don't worry.
Don't work it, Wesley, please.
Don't worry.
God, pray for him now.
Remember the law said, crime stop, solving crime pays.
Yes, Wesley, please.
Me no worry, please. No shoot. Hey, remember something take a go and take care of you, know. Remember me set up in a life, you know. You just change for me, so.
Don't study me. You will mad. Remember this? When you hear it, run. Yo. So.
Come here. Come here, you. No, listen.
No.
Hold it in.